Hi guys. Well, this morning I am waking up in an absolutely beautiful place. Absolutely beautiful. Got my coffee. So let me tell you, when I came out here, I did a little bit of research in the area, trying to find a place to camp at. I did not expect, I found like a couple of spots, and so my plan was to just go to one spot, check it out. If I didn't like it, go to the next one, so on and forth. So this was actually my second spot that I came to. The first one was okay, but I just wanted to see what the second spot was like because it was kind of close to the first one. And oh my goodness, I am so glad I came to this spot. It is absolutely beautiful, like breathtaking. It has everything here. It has a river running through. It has like forest area, mountains. Like the only thing that's missing is an ocean. So I got really lucky with this place. So as you guys know, I talk to my aunt like at least twice a day to let her know I'm okay and stuff. So where I'm at, there's no cell service here. So I did drive in town to go let my aunt know that I'm pretty much secluding myself in this area right here for a whole entire week. No cell service, no internet, no social media. So this place is just, it's so peaceful and so beautiful. And I think it's time for me to have a place like this for no cell signal and just decompress from everything for a whole entire week. Like I'm literally stocked up on water, food, everything. I don't even need to move this Jeep right here. I'm just literally staying in this area for a whole week. I'm so lucky and so blessed. So this place is right outside of Sequoia National Forest. So it's on the outskirts of it. So I think like in the background I can probably still see like Sequoia National Forest, but I'm not in the forest. I'm not camping in it. So I am on the outskirts of it, and it is, I'm excited to share this place with you guys. It's so beautiful. Like, I'm just going to roll my window down and let you guys see what my view is. So this is my view that I have from where I'm camping at, from where I'm parked in my Jeep. That's my view. Okay, I'll just turn it around so you guys can get a better view. How beautiful is that? So beautiful out here. Like, that's just a little clip right there. Okay, so I know what you guys are thinking probably right now. It looks pretty cold there. It is pretty cold here. So I've already been here for a few days, and the temperatures have been in the hot, for the highs, they've been in the 50s, and then in the lows at nighttime, it's been in the low 30s. And I know what you guys are probably gonna say. Well, Sarah, I thought you just ran away from all that cold weather. I did. I did run away from all that cold weather. And I went to Arizona where it was hot and it got hotter. So I was in Arizona for a few weeks. And yeah, the heat just got hot. So it was time for me to move on and go back to cooler weather. So I just spent 7 months, and we all know that this was a crazy, crazy winter season that we just had. And I just spent the whole entire crazy winter season sleeping in my Jeep and living in my Jeep. Now let me let you guys know, I have a tent heater. It's one of those Mr. Buddy tent heaters, but that tent heater, it's propane. So I'm not going to use it when I'm in there sleeping inside my Jeep because it's not smart to be using propane inside your vehicle. So me and little one just toughed out this whole entire winter season with just basically our 0-degree sleeping bag, the electric blanket, and the other blankets that we had. And it was fine. We didn't have any issues. We slept in snow. We slept in some really cold temperatures. But yeah, I mean, it's the hardest time for me was waking up in the morning and getting up to make my coffee and get motivated. That was the hardest time for me in the morning. So after enduring the wonderful winter that we had in the cold weather for 7 months, when I was in Utah, it started getting to me. So I can't believe it took 7 months of it for it to finally start getting to me. But it did, and that's why I had to go to Arizona. So Arizona was a nice little break from it. We'll just put it that way. So yes, I knew it was going to be cold out here, but this place was along the route that I'm taking for my summer travels. And honestly, I think me having the break in Arizona did me some good because this cold weather isn't even bothering me right now. So that's good. So yeah, look at how beautiful that is. This is such a beautiful, beautiful place. I have to say, I got very, very lucky finding this spot right here. Wow, what a week this has been. I literally took this week right here to just enjoy being here. This place right here that I found to set up camp at, this is what nature is all about. Wow. I literally just took this whole entire week. My Jeep has been parked the whole entire week. I have not left this spot right here because there was so much to see and just enjoy here. So meaning, because there was no cell service here, so I literally just went a whole week without cell service, internet, social media. Crazy. I think this is the longest I've ever gone without my cell phone. So yeah, it was extremely nice being able to do that, like very refreshing. But the time has come, after being here for a whole week and really being off the grid, now it's time to go get back on the grid. And oh my goodness, I can't wait to see all the messages that are just gonna blow up my phone. And yeah, it's time to leave this beautiful area and move on somewhere else. That's what this is all about. If I could stay here the rest of my life, I would. That's how much I've loved this place. But I've got more places to go see, and I'm sure I'm going to find another place just like this.